Teachers Day 2025. Why India celebrates September 5 to honor educators and Dr. Radhakrishnan. Assam teacher who travels 150 kilometers daily through forest wins National Teachers Award 2025. NEET PG 2025. Supreme Court rejects plea to halt counselling transparency hearing next week. NIRF 2025. IIM Ahmedabad tops management rankings of 6th year. Check the top 10 institutes. Gen Z is rewriting office culture. Is corporate America ready for the shift? India celebrates Teachers' Day on September 5 each year to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the nation's second president, philosopher and educationist. In 1962, he requested his birthday to be observed not as a personal event but as a day to honor teachers. The day highlights the pivotal role of teachers play in shaping society, values and future generations. Schools and colleges observe the day through role reversal activities, cultural events and speeches. Dr. Radhakrishnan, born in 1888, emphasized that teachers should be the nation's finest minds. While India celebrates on September 5, World Teachers' Day is marked globally on October 5 as established by UNESCO in 1994 to recognize educators' contribution and rights worldwide. Debajit Ghosh, a 34-year-old teacher from Assam's Sontipur district, has won the National Teachers Award 2025 for transforming lives in a remote tea garden community. As a principal of Namsang Tea Garden Model School in Dibrugarh, Ghosh travels 150 kilometers daily through elephant corridors to reach his students. He brought 267 dropouts back to school, improved hemoglobin levels through health initiatives and ensured 100% class 10 pass out, pursued higher education. His teaching blends ICT tools, virtual labs and hands-on learning despite challenges like lack of public transport and high personal costs. Ghosh remains committed. He seeks support for sports, staffing and transformation aid. His story is a powerful testament to the impact of dedication, innovation and empathy in education. The Supreme Court has dismissed a plea to stop NEET PG 2025 counselling while agreeing to hear concerns over exam transparency next week. Filed by aspirants, the PIL challenge in National Board of Examination in Medical Sciences for not releasing the full set of exam questions alongside the answer keys. As initially promised, NBMS had announced the release of the answer key response sheet and question on August 21st, but later limited disclosed to questions IDS. Aspirants argue this prevents verification and undermines transparency. The bench questioned the petitioner's intent, warning against misuse of Article 32. Over 2.42 lakh candidates took NEET PG on August 3. The court has directed paperwork completion ahead of next week's hearing. The Management of Education has released the NIRF 2025 rankings for management institutions, with IIM Ahmedabad securing the top spot for the 6th consecutive year. The ranking assesses institutes on teaching quality, research, placements, inclusivity and reputation. IIM Bangalore and IIM Kozhikode ranked 2nd and 3rd respectively. 7 IIMs dominated top 10 list, including IIM Lucknow, Mumbai, formerly NITIE, Calcutta and Indore. Among non-IIMs, IIT Delhi's DMS ranked 4th, MDI Gurgaon 9th and XLRI Jamshedpur 10th, highlighting growing diversity in quality management education. IIM Ahmedabad stands out of its strong academic standards, global exposure and alumni network. These rankings provide valuable guidance for MBA aspirants on India's top business schools and emerging non-IIM candidates. Generation Z, born between 1997 and 2012, is transforming US office culture by blending authenticity, mental health awareness and AI integration into the workplace. Unlike previous generations, Gen Z embraces individuality, open mental health conversation and casual work environments. A JLL study shows they are more present in the office than any other age group, using in-person and virtual tools to build networks. They treat AI as a constant collaborator, boosting productivity and adaptability. Prioritizing well-being over status, they measure success differently, focusing on mental health and physical health. This shift is reshaping corporate norms, forcing companies to rethink rigidity, mentorship, and workplace design. The big question lies in, can traditional corporate culture evolve quickly enough to align with Gen Z's radical new vision of work?